Alright guys, we did a video over the sweet stuff playing with the pie crust. I've got 2 left, so let's do more of a savory one this time. We're going to try some, make some more of those round things and we'll press. Got a couple ideas. I'm going to take and, use some jalapenos, use some summer sausage. Got some little smokies. These are actually cut up because I'm going to put those in my wife's eggs so she can make a burrito. But there's the little smokies. We've got some redneck lipstick. It's actually really good. Some jalapeno mustard. And this is actually surprising. It's pretty good. And of course got the jalapenos. So we will also be adding cheese. I just hadn't pulled that out yet. So let's get this going and test it out. Alright guys, for the savory, I've got the little smokies chopped up. I've got some summer sausage chopped up. We're going to be using the Lodge that I got for Christmas. And we're going to be mixing up all kinds of stuff in here, so we'll see how it turns out. Alright guys, we came out with enough to do 6 of them. So we're going to try to split it up, 3 with the summer sausage and 3 with the little smokies. But we got more little smokies, so I might have to make more of those. But I'm going to take and make 2 of them that are going to have the jalapenos in it and hot sauce. So those 2 I'm going to have to mark. I'm going to use a little bit of food color and put on top, so when they're cooked they'll still show that those are the ones that the girls don't want to mess with. Guys, this first one is just going to be some of the summer sausage, and I put jalapenos and then cheese. I'm not going to put any sauces or anything in this one. We're just going to leave it flat. I bet it's going to turn out awesome. Alright guys, on this one I took and used the little smokies, some jalapenos, some cheese, but I also put a little bit of the redneck lipstick on it. And we'll close this thing up and we'll smash it down. Well guys, you learn something every day. This was sticking a little bit, so I sprayed it with some canola thinking that, hey, maybe that'll take and make it pop out easier. It did not. It actually made it to where the last one that I pulled out come out really, really ugly, and it took forever. Had to pinch it all together to try to get it to hold. Don't know if it will or not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and use some flour, put it on both sides of the little round things, so maybe that'll take and help it. Alright, on this one I used a little bit of the summer sausage, some cheese, and then I used the Tabasco sweet and spicy. It's not very hot, but I'm still going to mark it so it wouldn't surprise anybody. Guys, on this one I actually used the little smokies. I used jalapenos, the jalapeno mustard, and some cheese, and we'll get this one closed up. Alright guys, here they are. There's the ugly one on the left. There was only actually one back there that didn't have any jalapenos or hot sauce in it, so the last run I just mixed everything together, rolled it up in that, and we'll see how it turns out. I'm going to put them in here for 25 minutes and we'll see if that gets them done, if we're going to have to add more time. Alright guys, we've got the savory done. These I put the food coloring on so they know that there's, some stuff on it. This was an M, but my cheese slid a little bit when I put it in there, so kind of messed my M up, but I know that one's got the mustard in it. And this one has got the T for the Tabasco, the sweet stuff. This is a plain one. This one's got jalapenos. And this one does too. It come apart just a little bit, but I just cut it. I hadn't looked at it. I just want to see what it's going to look like. So I don't know guys, that looks pretty good to me. This one I mixed everything left over and put it in here. So it's got jalapenos, some of the little smokies, it's got some summer sausage, it's got cheese. Overall guys, everything smells awesome. I'm gonna try, I'll tell you what, we'll try a piece of that. See that right there? That's pretty right there. It's still hot, but man, that actually tastes really, really, really good. Guys, I hope everybody has a great day, stays warm, especially the ones that are being hit by the bad weather to the south. If y'all don't have to go anywhere, please stay in. It's not worth getting in a wreck just to go run to the store just because something you don't need. Y'all have a great day.